Chase login, log into Chase Bank Online, chase.com. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can log in to Chase Bank Online. So make sure to watch the video till the end. To log into Chase Bank Online, go to chase.com. Then you'll find the sign in option from the top right. Just tap on it. Once you tap on sign in, it's going to take you to this page where you have to simply enter your username and your password correctly. Tap the sign in option to sign into your account. Now, if you want to remember your username, you can tap on remember me. You can also use a token for verification, or you can tap on forgot username and password if you happen to forget it. If you're not enrolled for online banking, you can also tap on the enroll now option there. This way you'll be able to log into Chase Bank Online. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.